Alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the SQL file in pgAdmin 4. Okay, so this is very simple. Inside, first of all, launch your pgAdmin 4 Postgre. Okay, and inside the database, here we create a new database. Okay, for example, on which I will import the SQL file. Okay, the database name is whatever you want. For example, here I write the database name, that is fcp underscore and live. Save. Okay, here you can see this new database is created. Inside this, right click and go to the restore, and inside the format click on the custom mortar, and the file name, import the SQL file. This is my SQL file, and click to restore. Okay, after some seconds, okay, it shows me this, that restore is okay. For example, if I click on here and refresh and click on my new database, and inside its schema, if I go to the tables, here you can see that all these tables are successfully imported. So I hope you will understand about this, how you can import the SQL file in your pgAdmin 4. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.